let's remove the service reminder from the console. So as you can see, I'm getting service reminder. I'm at 15,600. So what you have to do is turn off the bike. Now turn on the switch by holding this M button. Okay, so I'm still holding the button. After some time it will start blinking, the service reminder. Now as the icon started blinking, release the M button and hold the S button. Keep holding the button until unless you get this notification, service at 5,000 km. Now you can go here and check next services at 5,000 km. So this is how you remove the service indicator from your Dominar 2019. Thank you.